Welcome back to our channel, everyone. If you've been following us for a while, you know we've been busy with our ceiling projects and indoor work, but today we're doing something a little bit different. While we're still on the ceiling project, which isn't finished by the way, we're also restarting our garden work, this time as a volunteer work for El Shalem village. This isn't just a quick cleanup or a small change. There is a lot to do and we wanted to take you along from the very beginning. In this video, we'll show you the space, talk about our plans and explain how we're going to bring the garden back to life step by step. It's going to take time, effort and a lot of care, but we believe it's going to be worth it. So, if you're ready to see something different from us, while we're still keeping up with the ceiling project, and you want to follow along with the volunteer journey, make sure you stay tuned. This is the start of a brand new chapter for the channel, and we can't wait to share it with you. As you can see here, I'm just using the weed whacker to cut down all the long grass and the overgrown weeds that have taken over the paving. It might not look like much at first, but once everything starts getting cleared, you can really see the space opening up again. The grass was growing through the cracks, spreading across the walkway and just making everything look untidy and forgotten. So we're trimming back, cleaning up the edges and slowly bringing some order back into this area. It's definitely hard work, especially how thick and overgrown it is, but seeing the difference even after a few minutes makes it so worth it. Let us know in the comments if you also find this kind of cleanup satisfying to watch, because this is only the beginning and there is still so much more to do. And now we're just going to finish up this last section of overgrown grass and weeds on the paving. It's just a small area left, but it makes a big difference once it's all cleared and neat. After this we can finally move on to the main garden area and start tackling what's next, one step at a time, but we're getting there.
Welcome everybody. As you can see, I'm just sweeping all the dead leaves around the building and alongside the sidewalk and paving. I'm gathering them up into small piles to make it easier for us to pick them up later. And later in the video you will see how easy it is to pick them up and dispose of them later. It might seem like a simple task, but once you start cleaning everything away, you really notice how much cleaner and brighter the space looks. I think the echo was just trying to stop me from working today.
Vilken anka?
Here you can see we're busy working in the garden. I'm just taking out all the weeds with the spade and clearing the area little by little. There are quite a few weeds that have grown up here, so it's taking a bit of time to get everything out properly. And if you look in the background, you can see Yento busy cutting down the tree that we mentioned in our intro video. We're both just working on different parts of the garden at the moment, trying to get everything cleared and cleaned up step by step. Alright, nothing can go wrong here. What could possibly happen? Wow, okay, that actually hurt. Yep, the walkway is officially winning this round. I think my hand just filed a complaint. About a minute after that little incident, we're back at it, continuing to take out all the weeds. As you can see, we're about halfway through taking out the weeds at this point, but there's still quite a lot left to remove. Some areas are really overgrown, so it's taking a bit of effort getting everything cleared properly. But step by step we're making progress. It's actually quite satisfying seeing the difference as we go along.
Little by little, the paving and garden are starting to look tighter and more cared for. Once we got all the weeds out, we are going to take a break and recharge. Then we're going to come back and finish the rest of the garden work. Even though it's a big job, it's really rewarding to see how much we have accomplished so far. And every section we clear just makes the space look better and better. Alright, now we are back from lunch and fully recharged. We are jumping straight back into the garden work. As you can see, we are starting off by cutting some evergreen trees to open up the space and let more light in. It's amazing how much a difference just a few trims can make. After that, we will be turning over some ground in the garden to get it look neat and tidy, preparing for the next days.
Along the way, we'll also be trimming a few other branches, pulling out weeds that we might have missed earlier and cleaning up the walkway so everything looks organized and cared for. It's definitely a big job, but little by little it's all coming together and it's really satisfying to see the progress as we go. Keep watching because there's still plenty more garden transformations ahead. And you'll see just how much of a difference each step makes in making the space look fresh, neat and inviting. Because this garden hasn't really been maintained for quite a while, there wasn't a clear line or border between the grass and the garden bed anymore. Everything had kind of grown together, so you couldn't really see where the garden ended and where the grass started. So what I had to do first was take the shovel and create a new edge along the garden, and then make a small furrow in the soil that helps separate the garden from the grass again. It gives a nice clean line. It already makes the garden look a lot more neat and organized. It will also help keep the shape of the garden bed going forward.
Here I am just sweeping and cleaning up the last parts of the walkway, gathering all the dead leaves and debris into small pools so William can come through and pick them up. It's amazing how much difference just starting up walkway makes. Everything starts to look so much cleaner and organized. And while I'm doing that, you can also see William helping out by pulling out some of the weed that are still stubborn growing between paving bricks. We are really just finishing up the final touches now, taking care of the small details that make the garden look neat and well kept. It's that kind of work that might seem small, but it really makes the whole space feel fresh and cared for.
Here I am cutting off one of the larger branches in the garden. It's a bit of a tricky one, but it really needed to come out to keep the garden looking neat and tidy. Once that's done, I'm going to go back and pick up all the little piles of leaves and debris that Yento made earlier and make sure they're properly disposed of. It's those small finishing touches that really bring everything together.
By the end of the video, you will see the full transformation, especially before and after shots. It is honestly amazing to see how much difference all of the work makes, from overgrown and unkept to clean and organized. And well cared for, it really shows that little effort can completely change the look and feel of the garden.